Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls, or people who say, I don't need things. Now, this is a continuing saga of Pittsburgh unboxing, all interconnected with each other. And I ordered a case for this. So I may not need this, but this is the Allen glass protector for my phone. Easy open. I'm not going to open it because they gave me two protectors with the item I just filmed. So I'll keep this handy in case I need it. They'll give me three, or they usually give you two here. So I'm just going to leave this alone as is. But that will give me 3 or 4 screen protectors, and I don't have to worry about breaking my glass. I broke the glass on the iPhone 7, I had to have it replaced. And the battery, and then the charging port doesn't work right. So that's another reason I need a new phone. 3 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago, my Android phone shut the ability to make a phone call off by itself, and I haven't had a phone. So I had to spend a lot of money to get another phone. I can't take the Android operating system anymore. Alright, because it kept doing things like turning on the camera when I was sitting with nothing on, disconnecting phone calls, calling when the phone was already on. Horrible. It's putting me in chat and text mode when I'm on a phone call. So I'm done with Android. Alright, my channel number is 1,387,680 views and 19,073 subscribers. I thank everybody who watches and subscribes. And remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month and hear the beautiful and lovely little girl and fluffy cat. They are going into now 25 years old, my babies. I love dearly. And in a different sense, I love them more than I love Kathy. They are my companions, and they keep me warm, and they make me laugh. And yes, pretty little girl. Pretty little girl. Yes, look at the tail go. Pretty little girl. Pretty girl. Beautiful girl. Pretty little girl. Pretty girl. Pretty little girl. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Yes, I woke you up. Sorry. Okay, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night, a great afternoon, a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe, and I will catch you next time. Watch your budget and watch the skies. Bye-bye for now. This has been another episode of Pittsburgh Unboxing.